How to upload Canva design to Google Drive. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save your Canva design. First of all, you need to open the web browser. Then search canva.com in the web browser. After opening the Canva app, scroll down to click on Random Designs. Choose a template style from Design. Tap on the template and click to delete the background. Open another template, tap on a photo and delete the photo. Then tap on Uploads from the dashboard. Select the image from Files. Then drag the photo here to move it on template. Set the photo from background to the image. Then click on the Share button. Go into the Share on Social option and you can share the template on any social platform. You can share it on all the given apps or you can search DR to click on Google Drive. From Google Drive, click on Connect Google Drive. Then choose your Google account to save the template in Google Drive. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.